Hello guys, this is land registration system using blockchain. In this we are having four entities: super admin, admin, user, users which are who are buyer or a seller. So now in this case we will be using MetaMask, which is an Chrome extension for uh, interacting with the blockchain. So now I am logging to my MetaMask, and here you can see that these are my four entities: super admin, admin, user 1, user 2. So firstly let me go back to the super admin. Super admin is a person who is the deployer of the contract, means he is the sole owner of the contract. Now here you can see this is my super admin portal, and here I can add an admin, explore the land, and register the land. So now let me first add an admin. Let this admin belong to village XYZ and state be MNO, admin address. Now let me go to the again MetaMask and copy the admin address, copy, and switch back to super admin. If I am not doing so, I will get an error. Assign. Now let's wait. This is our MetaMask console, which is asking for confirming this transaction or reject it. So I'm going to confirm it. Now let's wait for this transaction to over. It may take some time to write on the blockchain. Now you can see it, the admin has been added. Now let's open a new tab for this our admin. So for this I have to change my MetaMask account to admin account. I'm going here, change back to admin, and now connect to Ethereum. Now admin can do all the functionalities, but he or she cannot add another admin. He can explore the land, he can register the land. So now let's register a land. Village. Admin can only register the land for which he or she is admin to. So he was an admin for XYZ state word MNO, survey number. Let's give it a survey number of 9876. Okay, and now owner address, let it belong to user number 1 and copy it and switch back to admin. Owner address, and now its market value be like 6, and I am going to register this land. Confirm, and let's wait for this transaction to be over. Now our land has been registered, and now let's again open our this land registration for user number 1, and now connect to Ethereum. Now here you can see our all the detail of our profile, name, building. See this thing, village is Bidipur, city Jalandhar, GT road. It's my personal detail. And now let me check the property which belongs to this ether address. These are the three properties. This is the property which we just created. 995269 with survey number 9876, village XYZ and MNO. And now let me open one more tab for user number 2. Yeah, now see this. His village is SPN, city is also SPN, state is UP. And now let's check the property. It's no property owned. Okay. Now let's switch back to user number 1. This is our property which the user wants to sell. So let me switch back to user number 1, and I'm going to it make available, so that you are making it for sale. Confirm. Now let's wait for this transaction to be over. Yeah, now let me refresh the page, and yeah, you can see that now I cannot make available this land with proper survey number 9876 XYZ and all those things. Now as an user number 2, I want to buy this property. So for this I have to explore this. I have to go to the explorer and input all the details. Village was XYZ, state was 7 number 9. Yeah, it is our all the details like 9952 681 268, all those details available for sale. Yes, market value is 6. Now I am going to request for sale, means I want to buy this property. So now let's confirm. Yeah, let me refresh this page once again, and input the details XYZ. Yeah, now you can see available for sale and request for sale, because I have already applied for this thing. Now I am going to switch back and firstly let me see view requested. I am currently logged in as a user number 2 who wants to buy this property. So I am going to go to the view requested. Yeah, see this my property ID, all those details are given, and request status is currently pending. And now I am going to switch back to user number 1, and now I am going to see my request for those properties. Yeah, this is our request for the property from this user, and approve request. Confirm. Yeah, now let me switch back to the property. Yeah, 9876. Now let me switch back to user number 2 and refresh this requested page. And now, yeah, as you can see, request status has been approved. So now I can buy the property. But before that, let me wait. Firstly, let's check our property of user number 2. now let's firstly check the property of user number 2. Now currently no properties are being owned by user number 2. Now I'm switching back here, and now I'm again on the user number 2 only, and I'm going to buy this property. I'm confirming this transaction because I want to buy this property, and let's hope. Yeah, and now let me refresh all these pages. No property requested, and my property should be displayed here. Yeah, 9876 XYZ MNO, and for user number 1, my yeah, for my user number 1 there is no property in the survey number of 9876 because it has been transferred to this one, user number 2. Thank you.